Welcome back to the Sunday Business Page.
You often hear us talk about expansion plans for health system giants UPMC and the Allegheny Health Network, but quietly, St. Clair Hospital, the independent healthcare facility in the South Hills, has been taking steps to grow its own presence in the area that it has served for so many years. Last month, St. Clair announced that it is spending $142 million to expand its main campus, including a new 280,000 square foot comprehensive outpatient center.
Construction is already underway in the Mount Lebanon Scott Township area for a $142 million expansion of St. Clair Hospital that serves tens of thousands of people in the South Hills and beyond.
We're so excited about what is going to be the largest site expansion in several decades, a substantial increase in our total space on our campus, and it's going to be the opening of a new outpatient center.
Dr. John Sullivan, Senior Vice President and Chief Medical Officer, says the independent hospital has seen 130% growth in outpatient volume over the last 12 years, likely to grow as St. Clair accepts all insurance plans.
We like to provide high-level subspecialty care in a variety of fields, primarily because we know that that's what our patients want in the community, and we want to provide it close to home, high quality, close to home.
The new addition will be a 280,000 square foot, 6-story building with labs, cardiodiagnostics, physical and occupational therapy rooms, 10 operating rooms, 51 pre- and post-surgical rooms, a pharmacy, a cafe, and underground parking. So here's the plan. St. Clair Hospital has already bought this land, a former shopping mall, and torn it all down. They're going to move this street, North Ren, over a bit and then build their 6-story outpatient building right on the road over here. Dr. Sullivan says the addition enhances overall patient care, already #1 in emergency room patient satisfaction. With 2,500 employees, the hospital is already the largest employer in the South Hills, and this project will add 150 new healthcare professionals. The new facility should open in the fall of 2020.
Dr. John Sullivan joins us now on the Sunday Business Page. He's Chief Medical Officer for St. Clair Hospital. Doctor, welcome to the show. It's good to have you here.
Thank you.
This is exciting. For those of us who live in the South Hills, having quality health care real close means a lot. But I know you serve a lot of folks, not just those in the immediate area of the hospital, right?
Well, we certainly have been lucky enough to be getting patients from a broader area, I think due to some of the quality programs we're delivering.
You know, the thing that interests me most, and there's a lot of different things I could ask you about with respect to the building here, but what interests me most about independent hospitals, how do you survive when you got these giants out there that are trying to gobble up everybody?
Well, I guess the easiest way is to focus on the fundamentals, delivering care to the patients and worrying a little bit less about the market, but naturally you have to function within a pretty complex healthcare system. I think the key is also to maintain some relationships with other bigger systems.
So you have a relationship with other systems besides, I mean, actually anybody could who has UPMC healthcare insurance or the Highmark healthcare insurance can come to you, right?
That is one of the advantages. We take all insurances.
And you also have an affiliation with other healthcare systems?
Well, we affiliated 2 years ago with the Mayo Clinic Care Network, which I think has a very well-respected name in healthcare, usually rated #1 in the country in terms of their clinical care, and has a very substantial academic presence.
So what will this new addition mean to people who are in the area and want to take advantage of St. Clair Hospital?
Well, we've built and we've designed and are going to build a system that is very patient-focused. We want someone in the community to be able to come in, park their car, come right up and get all of their services in a convenient manner.
I mean, we're talking outpatient services?
Outpatient, that's where all the growth in healthcare is. We've seen 130% growth in our outpatient services in the last decade and clearly need some expansion.
You know, I was very interested when you and I met the first time, John. You started telling me about patient satisfaction, and I was really surprised. Number one?
You're referring to our emergency room after a renovation in the last decade. Before expanding the physical plant, our team decided that we really needed to focus on the patient experience first and foremost. And we're lucky enough over a series of several lean process interventions had brought the patient experience to a level that it was actually rated in the top 1 percentile. In fact, when we dug in a little further with these rating agencies, that it was actually #1 in the country for several quarters in a row.
#1 in the country. So that means that people who go to St. Clair Hospital's ER are the happiest with the outcome, I presume?
One would assume that is what that meant. Now, I think most of us who are patients, a lot of it really relies on how quickly I'm being seen.
Yes, I think that's true.
Nothing's more valuable than our time, right? And you don't want to be sitting there. But I think it reflects how we designed systems that were very focused on us, the healthcare providers. If you really put yourself in the shoes of the consumer, you want to come in, be moved right into a room immediately. You want to be seen by a physician immediately.
Well, I think it's really good that independent hospitals are successful in the Pittsburgh area. I commend St. Clair Hospital for the work you're doing and for the expansion. I think it's great to have these alternatives for all of us, wherever we live in the region. And I thank you, Dr. John Sullivan, for coming in and sharing with us today.
Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you again. When the Sunday Business Page continues, how Pittsburgh Institute of Aeronautics is helping its students soar to new heights for job opportunities and salaries, and why they're #1 on a Forbes magazine list. Stick with us.